Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake sponge. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 4 large eggs, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. Make sure your eggs and butter are at room temperature. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare an 8-inch round cake pan by greasing and flouring it. This preparation ensures a perfect bake. Now, let's create that airy texture. In a large bowl, beat your eggs and sugar together on high speed for about 7 to 10 minutes until the mixture is very pale, thick, and has tripled in volume. This step is crucial for a light sponge. Next, gently fold in the sifted flour in 2 parts, then carefully fold in the melted butter. Be gentle to keep all that lovely air. With your batter ready, pour it evenly into your prepared 8-inch cake pan. Gently tap the pan on the counter a couple of times to release any large air bubbles. Bake in your preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. The cake is done when it's golden brown on top and springs back when lightly touched. A wooden skewer inserted into the center should come out clean. Once baked, let your sponge cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This allows it to firm up slightly before you attempt to remove it. Then, carefully invert the cake onto a wire rack to cool completely. A fully cooled cake is much easier to slice and decorate. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade sponge cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.